Ever wondered how stress is impacting your daily life? How it subtly, yet surely alters the way you think, feel, and act? In our fast-paced modern society, stress is as prevalent as the air we breathe. It's a silent adversary, chipping away at our physical health, disrupting our mental well-being, and diminishing our overall quality of life. But what if I told you there's a silver lining? Fortunately, there are natural remedies that can help manage stress effectively. Exercise, a powerful stress reducer, isn't just about sweat and muscle. It's about harnessing the body's natural ability to combat stress. When we engage in physical activity, our bodies release endorphins, our own personal feel-good chemicals. These endorphins act as natural painkillers and mood elevators, helping us to feel better, both physically and mentally. But the benefits of exercise don't stop there. It also serves as a powerful distraction from the worries of the day. Whether you're going for a brisk walk, dancing to your favorite tunes, or pushing through a challenging yoga sequence, exercise demands your focus and attention. This shift in focus can provide a much-needed break from stress. Moreover, regular exercise can improve your sleep quality, which is often disrupted by stress. A good night's sleep can leave you feeling refreshed and better equipped to handle the challenges of the day. So the next time stress levels rise, remember to move and sweat it out. Mother Nature offers a bounty of roots and herbs that can help soothe our stressed minds. Now let's dive into the green world of natural remedies, specifically focusing on roots and herbs that are renowned for their calming properties. First up, we have ashwagandha, an ancient medicinal herb. It's revered in Ayurvedic medicine and is known for its stress-lowering effects. Ashwagandha can be consumed in capsule form or as a powder mixed into beverages or foods. It's a gentle way to bring a sense of tranquility to your day. Next on our list is chamomile. This herb, often found in teas, has a reputation for calming the nervous system. Imagine sipping on a warm cup of chamomile tea, its soothing properties wrapping you in a comforting embrace, easing away the tension of a long day. Finally, there's valerian root. Valerian has been used for centuries to ease insomnia and anxiety. You can find it in many forms, from teas to capsules. Valerian root can help you get a good night's sleep, which is a crucial part of managing stress. Incorporating these natural remedies into your daily routine doesn't have to be a chore. It can be as simple as brewing a cup of tea or taking a supplement with your breakfast. Remember, consistency is key. These natural offerings, when used wisely and consistently, can become our allies in the battle against stress. Stress is a silent invader, but it doesn't have to take over your life. So let's do a quick recap, shall we? We've seen how exercise is not just about physical fitness, but also a natural stress buster. By increasing your heart rate, you're essentially telling your body to produce a flood of feel-good hormones called endorphins. These endorphins act as natural painkillers and mood elevators, helping you find relief from the clutches of stress. Then we've unearthed the power of roots and herbs, haven't we? From soothing chamomile to the potent ashwagandha, these natural wonders are packed with healing properties that can help manage stress levels. They not only calm the mind, but also help to restore balance in the body. Now, it's your turn to explore these natural remedies and find what works best for you. It's all about trial, understanding, and patience. Remember, managing stress is about finding balance. With the right tools, we can build a healthier, less stressful life.